In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Freeagent, a powerful tool designed to simplify your accounting tasks and streamline your business finance management. First, let's dive into some essential daily accounting activities. One of the most crucial tasks you'll undertake is managing your bank accounts. To start, you'll want to connect your bank accounts to Freeagent. This smart feature allows transactions to be automatically pulled in through bank feeds. However, if you prefer, you can also add these transactions manually or through uploaded statements. This functionality ensures your accounts are always up to date and accurate. After integrating your bank accounts, your next step is to explain each bank transaction. This involves categorizing the transactions, assigning the appropriate payment type, and entering the correct VAT rate. Doing this is paramount as it not only keeps your accounts refreshed, but also ensures that your financial reports are accurately populated. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain a clear picture of your financial health. Moreover, recording expenses is a breeze with Freeagent. Whenever you make a purchase, simply snap a photo of your receipt using the mobile app and upload it straight into the system. You can then add necessary details such as payment type and category, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Moving on to invoicing and income management, Freeagent makes this process straightforward. In the invoicing section, you can create personalized invoices by selecting a theme and adding your logo for that professional touch. When creating a new invoice, add items with specific details and unit prices. You can then send these directly via email from Freeagent or save them as a PDF if needed. If issuing recurring invoices sounds tedious, worry not. Freeagent offers an automation feature, allowing you to set up invoices that send automatically. You can even automate reminders for clients who have yet to make their payments, helping you maintain a healthy cash flow. Speaking of tracking, once an invoice payment is received and recorded, Freeagent will automatically update the status. You'll find this visual cue, turning green when received, immensely helpful in keeping tabs on your income. Now, let's explore other key features that Freeagent offers. One standout feature is cash flow forecasting. With a 90-day forecast, you'll have a strategic overview of your finances, aiding in making informed decisions. Additionally, the Freeagent mobile app extends the platform's convenience beyond your desktop, allowing you to manage your accounts, add expenses, and access vital information no matter where you are. Finally, tax time need not be daunting. Freeagent assists in populating your tax returns and supports submissions for self-assessment and other filings, reducing stress during the tax season. By leveraging these features, you'll find managing your finances not only simpler, but also incredibly efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and happy accounting with Freeagent.